Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will see how to add cover photo on LinkedIn. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn. After that, click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that, click on your name. And as you can see on the cover photo place, there is camera icon. You have just to click on it. And after that, you have three choices: to take a photo with your phone camera, or to upload from your phone, or to create a slideshow, which is available only for premium users. So I will upload from my phone and I will choose this picture, and after that click on done. And as you can see, we added cover photo to our LinkedIn profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.